class, I hope you guys are doing good today and staying safe at home. This is Darsha and welcome back to my YouTube channel or welcome to my channel. So today I am here with a Meesho haul. This is going to be a collective Meesho haul kind of a video, and basically in my last video I asked you guys if you are interested in watching Meesho haul because I have seen a lot of YouTubers doing Meesho haul. They have a really good response on those videos, and so I thought of doing one Meesho video. Here I am with this haul video. I really hope you guys will enjoy watching it, and yeah, I won't be giving an introduction on Meesho because I know like you guys would have seen Meesho haul videos already, a lot of Meesho haul videos, and you guys already know what is Meesho app. Like Meesho is reselling app and you can resell over there, so I'm not going to just exceed this video. I'm not going to give an intro of Meesho, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that small bell icon so that every time I post a new video you guys get notified. And why I'm saying to subscribe my channel is that I will be posting 3 times in a week. I post related to fashion, makeup, haul, challenges, and yeah, I hope you will find something for you. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So in this haul video there are some products which I actually love, like they are my favorites, and there are also some products which I don't love, like I don't like. They were not worth the money, and I believe that that was a waste of my money on those stuff. So starting off with the first thing that I'm going to show you is this neon top. This is what the top looks like. This is neon green in color, and this has puff sleeves on it, and this has a very cute detailing on it. Like it has elastic over here, so it is creating like that detailing kind of a thing, which I love the most about this top. Now time I picked this top from Meesho, I was just scrolling on Meesho and I found this top, and I was really confused between two colors. The first one was this one, the second one was white color. This was looking so sexy, it was looking so pretty, and I wanted to like go for that. I went out of my comfort zone and I picked this neon green color top. I never had this color in my wardrobe, so this time I picked this color, and after I received this top I'm having now 2-3 such neon tops, and I love all of them. I picked a small size in this one, and it is stretchable, so it will also fit medium body really well. And yeah, just love the fit of this one. This fits my body really well. This defines the shape of my body really well, and yeah, it fits me amazingly. Price was just rupees 250, and I just grabbed this top from there, and yeah, I love the quality. The quality is very good. It is very appropriate to wear it in any season. You can wear this in summers. It depends on you in which season you want to wear this, and I can style this in different ways. I already have a video in which I have styled this one top in 12 different ways, so if you are interested, we'll link it down below if you guys are interested, so you can directly watch it out. And yeah, this is the top I love the most. Okay, so moving on to the next up, I have this dress from Meesho. So this is a very pretty cute dress which was trending on Instagram a lot, and I bought this dress just because of Neha Sharma. I saw her in Jamai 2.0. The dress that she was wearing was just the same of this one, just the color was different. She was wearing a white color dress and I have maroon color dress. So basically I was finding out the white color dress, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I picked this red color dress. So basically this color is maroon, and I picked it up just because of its color. The color on the website was red. It was a tomato red color. That color was looking so warm, so I picked this dress. But this is maroon, like it is okay. I like this dress. So talking about the material, it has this crochet work on it over here, and this has a net work over here, and below you will get this kind of a thing, which I don't know which material it is, like I literally don't know. Talking about the dress, okay, so this one is from this brand Urban Streetwear, but the seller was Bitsy Owl. Talking about the quality is just so good. It is on the top notch. The one thing that I don't like about this is this elastic thing. This doesn't fit me that well because it's very loose, like elastic is not tight, so that's why it is a little loose on me. Also, one thing that I want to mention about this one dress is that the top thing does not have any cloth. Like this has a see-through problem, and as you can see, like beneath this dress you have to wear something which is of the same color of this one. It should be strapless, of course it should be strapless, or you can also go for the transparent ones. And talking about this strap, this has a noodle strap on it, and I personally love wearing such tops slash dresses. And except this see-through thing and this elastic thing, this dress is so good, it's so amazing, the price is just so good. Okay, so talking about the MRP of this one, this was for around 534 rupees and I got this for 400. So when you make a first purchase on Meesho, you get a rupee 100 off, like flat 30% off. So yeah, I got this dress for rupee 400, which was such a good deal. And yeah, I love this dress. And this dress was having so many different colors. It was having blue, it was having yellow, mustard yellow, and it was also having lilac color. Yeah, this is the dress that I got from Meesho. Moving on to the next stuff, I have this night suit from Meesho. So basically I don't have this night suit with me right now, and I posted a picture and also a reel on my Instagram where I was wearing this cute night suit. It is very cute, believe me, it's very cute. The material is very good of it, the quality is very good, and the price is also very good. It was around 565 rupees, which was such a good deal for such kind of night suit. It's just so good. The fabric of this night suit is very breathable, it's just so good. Night suit is appropriate to wear in summers, in monsoon season, in winters. It depends on you in which season you want to style or wear this night suit. And Meesho have such a good collection of night suits. Like, they have so pretty and cute night suits. Oh my god, I love those night suits. And I'm trying, like, I'm thinking of picking some more night suits, but we'll see it when I'm going to pick it up. I have a styling reel on this. We'll link it down below. If you guys are interested, then you can watch it out. And also all the codes of all these products will be mentioned below in the description box. So if you want to check it out, any of these stuffs, you can directly check it out. Moving on to the next item, I'm going to show you some accessories now. So the very first accessory that I got from Meesho is this sunglasses. So this is what the sunglass comes in. This is a brand beautiful case, and the time it came, I saw the case and I was very impressed. Like, काफी अच्छा product होगा अंदर packed. As we say, never judge a book by its cover. इसके साथ भी ऐसा अप्लाई होता है. I'm going to show you the sunglasses. So on camera it looks good. So this is what the sunglasses looks like. On camera it looks good, like I can wear this for my reels, for my photos, but I can't wear this outside my house because I'm going to tell you. The first thing that I don't like about is this yellow kind of thing over here. Like, I don't know what is this, which kind of logo is this. Like, they have just did anything, like कोई सा भी लोगो उठाया बस यहाँ पे चिपका दिया. It is looking very bad. Trust me, it is looking very bad, and it is like sticky. किसी स्टिक ग्लू से चिपकाया गया है इसे. So ये कई बार ऐसे निकल आता है. Then I again put it up because जब ये निकलता है ना तो इसके पीछे black glue stain छूट जाता है, and that looks so ugly. Talking about the second thing that I don't like about is the glasses. The glasses are of cheapest quality. I don't know which kind of glass is this. Like, it looks so bad. The quality is very bad of the glasses. It is not good for your eyes. So yeah, I kind of not try to wear this sunglasses, but yeah, this is in a retro style, and it is like I wear it for like 2-3 seconds for my reels or my photos. So yeah, I only use this for my photos and for my reels and nothing else. Talking about the third point that I don't like about this specs is the finishing. They have not given any sort of finishing. Like, क्या है मतलब क्या किया क्या है इसमें, ये इस पे जस्ट एकदम वेस्ट ऑफ मनी था. दिस वॉज अराउंड 200 रुपीज़ एंड मतलब कुछ तो क्वालिटी होती है. व्हेन यू शॉप फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट्स दी सनग्लासेस, उनकी भी क्वालिटी काफ़ी बेटर होती है एंड उनका प्राइस भी तो काफ़ी अच्छा होता है. द फोर्थ पॉइंट, टॉकिंग अबाउट द फोर्थ पॉइंट नाउ, देयर आर सो मेनी पॉइंट्स व्हिच आई डोंट लाइक अबाउट दिस, बट आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू ओनली द 4 points. Talking about the fourth point that I don't like is this thing over here. So when you wear this, it kind of hurts this space. Like, this is very sharp. The edges are very sharp, and whenever I just wear these, my nose size starts paining, and that is the first reason that I don't wear these specs. I have only wore these specs for one of my posts. That was like I was like doing a very crazy kind of a shoot, and yeah, I wore these specs only in that video. the MRP of this one I told you guys, but still the price of this one was 200 rupees and it was not worth it. Alright, moving on to the next and the last item of this haul. So basically in my last video I told you guys that I would never trust Meesho for my jewelries because the jewelries, the accessories quality is not at all good. The sunglasses that I showed you guys is the worst, and the next thing that I'm going to show you is like worst thing that I ever got from Meesho. And I love those clothes which I got from Meesho, but the accessories which I got from Meesho is like so bad, so cheap. Okay, so talking about the next item that I have, I don't want to show you guys because it is just so bad, but I have to show you. So I'm going to pop up the picture of what the product was. So this is what the product was exactly, and also the reviews were very good of this one. So I picked this neck piece. Okay, so the day I received this neck piece, I was really happy because it was looking good when it came, but after 2-3 days it started oxidizing, and I don't know what happened to it. It was just looking so bad, and I stopped wearing this neck piece. And after like 1 week I thought of wearing this with one of my outfits. I just took out my jewelry box and इसको निकाल रही थी, and I saw this, it oxidized completely. Like, this is what happened to it. So basically I have separated all these chains, so because I keep on doing some DIY, some art and craft work, and मुझे कुछ ना कुछ काम पड़ ही जाता है. I have separated these chains. So this is the first chain, then this is the second chain, you can see on the upside, then this is the middle chain. Now I'm just going to show you, like I'm going to compare all these chains. So these are the chains that was a part of that neck piece. This is the topmost chain, this is the middle one, and this is the सबसे नीचे वाली. And the thing is that these have oxidized completely. This one and this one chain has completely oxidized. Talking about this chain, this is same, like this has not oxidized, not at all. I don't know, like this is of other quality and these two things are of other quality. I don't know like what happened with these chains. These two chains have oxidized completely, and this is still the same. So I actually wear this now only. I just wear this up and it looks good, but it was looking so beautiful when all these three were there. So this is what the pendant now looks like. It has oxidized. This is just a waste because I can't even use these chains for my art and craft work now. These look so cheap. I can't use such pieces. Talking about the MRP was 200 rupees for this one. I think like if I would have purchased Jewel Galaxy neck piece from Amazon, that would be so great, but that was the time when I wasted my money on Meesho. And yeah guys, finally we have reached the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you want to see such more Meesho hauls, do let me know in the comment section. I will purchase a few more stuff from Meesho. अगर jewelries का भी चाहते हो तो I will just again buy some jewelries from Meesho and will do a Meesho jewelry haul for you guys. So if you are interested, do let me know in the comment section. And if you don't want to comment below, you can just DM me on Instagram. I would love to do such more Meesho haul videos. And yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, meet you in my next video. Bye.